The ZANU-PF tradition and ethos, the do's and don'ts.
I think those who really are ZANU-PF at heart go by the rules and decorum of ZANU-PF. We have other people who are in ZANU-PF who in themselves are not ZANU-PF, but they dress the ZANU-PF regalia. So you must always see when people talk and they see to which camp they belong as they open their mouths.
President Mnangagwa also spoke on the bright economic prospects following the good rains this year.
As a country or as an economy, would have wanted to be better than the way we are. But challenges continue to face every single economy, not only for Zimbabwe, the entire region, or perhaps as a continent. But I'm happy that as Zimbabwe we are rising up to the challenge, and we are doing utmost best to manage our economy and the challenges facing it. And fortunately, recently we've had good rains, and our economy is basically agricultural. And having a good season is a huge impetus with regard to a positive trajectory with the growth of our economy. And I'm happy that our people are embracing this good season we're having.
On the economic sanctions on Zimbabwe's neighbor, South Africa, the president had this to say.
I can assure you that those who impose sanctions on other countries should have learned a lesson. Zimbabwe growth was faster when we were under sanctions than before sanctions. Mm-hmm. So if you want the economy to grow fast, you impose sanctions. So we are a good lesson. We have developed and grown our economy under sanctions. I don't think South Africa would be an exception.
The president promised journalists to have more of such interaction. And media personnel also spoke of the dire stress they are going through in their respective media houses in terms of equipment, working capital, to mention but a few.